Bugatti! Previously on Kimba TV. Are we going to tap 4450? If not, will they save it for tomorrow? If we pull down to the bottom side, you're keeping an eye on the 4405, 4400 because closing below that would not be good. Bottom side, it's 25.6, 25.7, 25.8 is the zone. Boy, wish I was in my long. We identified the gammas. I guess they were saving it for today. Bugatti, how we doing, ladies and gentlemen? Mo Guy says the amount of times I got stopped out on this long was crazy. Hey, but good shit though. Did you keep trying? Overall, is everything Gucci? Is everything kind of making sense? I don't know how many times I told everybody that was shorting, high probability it's gonna go up, high probability it was gonna go up. It didn't even make a lower low yesterday. All it did was it tapped, it did the swing fail. It did the swing fail. Swing high, swing low, Fibonacci, golden pocket held, boom. Golden pocket rejection, golden pocket balance, higher probability for a move back up, right? Death by Chris says, I took an L, but I don't care because I followed the plan. And if you did take a little bit of an L, doesn't it feel good to at least do the exercise that we talked about where you plan and you mentally and emotionally prepare? Yeah, I think we're good because we nerded out on the gammas yesterday where we included the 7-day and the weekly options and the monthly options. So I think these gammas are going to guide us pretty much. I think we'll take away or add maybe 1 or 2 levels, but even for today, I think this is good. Yo says, damn, that long today was juice. Yeah, yep. But I mean, we knew it was coming, yo. Yeah, we won't get the timing perfect. You know what I mean? But look at what they did. They saved the 4450 for today. Tigran says, kind of sussy that they didn't sweep the lows before pump, don't you think? Hell no, Tigran. We actually talked about it, I think, on Friday. Yeah, what you want to do is re-watch the YouTube highlight when I entered my 250 Bitcoin long. But some of you guys are wanting to hear what you want to hear. I don't know how much more I can make it simpler for you. If you want to short, I would wait for 44.90, right? Because you need that bitch to get rejected there. And I would look for some sort of edge. Okay, failed auction, swing fail. You don't have any of those. So why would you short? So I would, if you're trying to think about shorting or you want to know where a good long TP would be, you need to watch Friday's video. So let's just let the math tell us what to do, right? What did I say? Wait for 44.90. Is there any more gamma above that? No. So you would want to see some sort of rejection there, right? We identified the single prints. It basically pixel fucked. God damn. And last Thursday, when I got into my 250 Bitcoin long, I said somewhere around here, 28,005, 28,003. All right. You don't want to be the guy talking about why did it pump? Bullish news. No, bitch. You are super late to the party. Space Cash has made back my money on the stop loss. Good shit. Oh my goodness. Y'all are seeing this? All right. Well, let's see if we can get down to 272. First single print coming up is 691. That's for sure going to get tapped. Yeah, so 272. We'll see if it can bounce off of 272 or 277. Y'all see it? Something like that. Hey, I'm gonna try to scalp a short. I'm gonna try to scalp a short. Can you guys hear me? You know what I would love? What I really would love is a sweep of that thing. Okay, what I would actually like, because I think a single print might have gotten front ran a little bit. So I would actually like to sweep that initial grab. Okay, but I'm gonna basically what I'm doing is I'm playing single print to single print. Okay, because I might actually long at the what's the single print down there? Like I might long the 27.2. Okay, so I'm gonna try to scalp a short. Okay, and there's two ways that you could do it. One, obviously, swing high, swing low, golden pocket, right? I just took a little bit. But what I really want is to sweep that original front run and actually fully tap. Because if you know, you know, but all the other single prints, they get tapped and it goes like $20, $30 into the single print. So I'm ready for the sweep. You know what I mean? And then obviously 28.5 is what I would want. So I want to play the single print. I want to try to play the single print scalp short down to this. There's two single prints. There's like 27.6. Any of you guys that actually see it, speak up on the exact number. But 27.6 and 27.2, right? And I'm thinking about longing 27.2. Okay, I'm still lettucing up though. Okay, these are lettuce positions, so take it with a grain of salt, okay? But reaction doesn't look that bad. Reaction doesn't look that bad, so I'm already in for a little bit, okay? But my stop loss is like $150 behind the single print, and I'm gonna try to enter I have limits all the way going up. Alrighty, but don't go all in, and if you took like a big L, this is not the thing that's gonna save you, okay? All I'm doing is single print to single print. Okay, so I could see a little bit of a pullback. I'm already in for a little bit. Okay, ideally I would like to see the sweep of the sweep. That might happen during Macaulay. Maybe we go to 27.6, okay, that single print, bounce, get the sweep, and then we go to 27.2, and then we can long it from 27.2. All things to think about. I'm just binging the single print. So, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna take a shot because if you notice too, the volume point of controls and TPOCs, they get respected after the single prints get binged. You know what I mean? So since I do see that 28.5, right? I would say, okay, fuck. If I were a market maker, I would tap the single print here, okay? And then take it down to one of the single prints down there, so 27.6 or 28.72 or whatever, right? And then reverse, and then tap the 28.5. So, I mean, the easiest bing would be like, okay, like if you're in a short right now, right? You're probably eyeing the first one, the 27.6 one, the 27.7 one, right? Look at that, give it up for the 5-minute candle, by the way. Come on. The game is on. The game is on, but I'm gonna just let the math tell me what to do. I'm not gonna sit here and be all fucking emotionally triggered, you know what I mean? So let's see, if it's bullish, they're gonna break this golden pocket to the upside, right? If it's bearish, this would be resistance, and we also have to make a lower low. We also need 44.90 to be resistance. The game is on, ladies and gentlemen. Who's gonna win? The Hodana Bears or the Laguna Bulls? The game is on. This is better than watching like the Super Bowl, to be honest with you. Well, no, I don't know about Super Bowl, but it's a fun ass, like you can see the battle going on. And all we're doing, it would be like saying, okay, this team is down by 3 touchdowns. and there's 6 minutes left in the fourth quarter. What's the probability the Laguna Bulls are gonna win or Holdana Bears are gonna win, right? That's what it is. And you take the high probability bet. Is there still a chance that they could make some miraculous comeback? Yes. But that's all it is that we're doing, you know? And the further away that it deviates, the less opportunity, the less open interest, it's gonna be, you know, less probability or higher probability for each side. That's all it is. Bugatti. Woo-wee! Let's get it. Anyways, let's see what happens. I don't give a shit if you're longing or shorting, okay? Let's just see what happens, okay? But I'm gonna just play the I'm just playing the single print to single print. So if you are shorting, you probably should be aware of that 700 thing. So this is what I'm thinking. Like, imagine a pullback to 700, right? And then bing that bitch back up, sweep the top, actually break the single print, then go back down, grab the 27.2, okay? And then we go to 38.5. Bing, 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 bing. And shout outs to everybody that has played and has paid attention and nerded out to the single prints, because you know that it, like an hour ago, we saw 2 single prints just blast through, right? On this move up, it just shit on that first one. It did pull back a little bit, okay? But that's what I mean by you got to put your shit immediately in like stop loss, take profit, or break even, you know what I mean? But you just saw a single print get shit on. At the same token, you guys, if you remember, at the 26,188, or was it the 25,188? 26,188 or 26, 26,188 and 26,288. It did it took the first golden pocket, pulled all the way back to the golden pocket before it bounced to go grab that second one. Again, I don't, who the fuck knows about the timing? So we're all looking at the same shit. I just wanted to remind you guys of what we've seen together. And then from here on, you guys just figure out what to do. Some of you guys are gonna try to long that 27.7 and close out any sort of shorts, all of it. You know, some of you guys might hold it until 27 point whatever, 2 or whatever, who knows. I'm just gonna do the single print to single print. And then in between, we'll let Fibonacci and S&P Confluence confirm or invalidate us. All right, Abe, Noam, I'll be right back, okay? But how cool is it? Already planned out. Shout outs to everybody. Okay, I'll be right back. Quit playing with the math. Quit playing with the math. Are we really that surprised? Yeah, I'm TPing on the next single print. The math is the math, yes sir. So yeah, I mean, listen, no surprises, okay? We in a little thang. Verolia says, let's Gucci at 27.2. Yeah, that's what I'm, we'll see. Listen, the math is the math. Not my hands. Okay, so you can see that the single prints, some, they will get tapped, especially on the smaller time frame. Okay, but that one was like a day in between. Okay, now today, when we were pumping up, there were 2 single prints that we had identified. And the first one just kind of smashed. It did have a little bit of a pullback, but eventually it smashed through. So you had 2 live examples in the last like a week or 2 of how single prints get tapped, but when they do and how they do can vary. Okay, so I think instead of trying to guess which one is gonna actually come first, why don't we just define the single print to the upside, single print to the downside, and then if it gets to one, then take it. If it gets to the other one, then take it. Okay, and we've kind of talked this whole narrative through, the whole plot line, because initially we didn't take the short. And so in essence, we were basically playing along with the fact that it was going to front run the first single print. Conra 26201 27223. Yes, there you go, Conra. And but let's not also forget 28288 or 28250. Yeah, and that's just if you're going to make it that simple like I am. I'm just single print hunting. You know, it would probably be a little bit smarter to have like confluence with fibs and stuff like that, but in my opinion, it's really not going to matter until GDP and gammas are set. So I don't think I'm going to be able to really sit here and analyze S&P and figure out if it's going to be above 45 hundo or below 45 hundo. Okay, so I'm going to just be looking at the levels and trying to take a shot. And the cool thing about the things is, like I said, go back and take a look at all the other pixel fucks that we had on the single prints, and you can see the average deviation, you know? Just within the last week, we've had 4 single prints that you can take a look at how they were each reacted. I think the coolest thing about the single prints is how tight of a stop loss you have, honestly. So, and like I said, the one up top is supposed to be a sweep, so. All right, I think this is the right one, right? I don't know why I have to. We got to fix the TTS on the suit. All right, ladies and gentlemen, stay safe. Rooting for you guys. I'm just going to be single print ping, ping, pinging, okay? We'll be connecting the Viper shortly, so just be patient with me. All right, you guys, stay safe. I'll see you guys in the Viper room. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. GDP Sato, take it away.